Hi viewers, I welcome you back to Brain Tech. So in this video I'll be showing you how to reset any Infinix Android phone forgotten password, pin or pattern, as well as I'll also show you how to unlock any Infinix forgotten password, pin or pattern. So yeah, the first thing we have to do in order to achieve this is to power off this device by using the power key here by the side of the button. This is Infinix Note 12i. So before we do that, you can see on your screen that I've forgotten the password of this device. I can't unlock the device as you can see on your screen. So let's go to the power button so we can power off the device. Here is the power key. Power off the device. From there I'll show you what to do next. So when the device completely turns off, you should feel the vibration on your palms. So you have to press the power key here and the volume up key together. You have to release the power key and continue to hold the volume up key when you see the Infinix logo on your screen, or you hear vibration, or you hold it from 10 seconds. So you have to count 10 seconds. If the logo is not here, you release the power key and continue to hold the volume up key. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Release the power key and continue to hold the volume up key. So this is the Infinix logo. Release the volume up key. This happens on some Infinix mobile device, while some should pop up on your screen, should pop up the Infinix logo on your screen with you still pressing the power key and the volume up key, while some will need for you to wait for 10 seconds before you release the power key. Please repeat this video if you miss any step previously. So here is the no command. As you can see on your screen, how to remove no command is to press the power key again, press and hold the power key, and then tap the volume up key to remove the no command. Press the power key for some seconds, then tap the volume up key to release or to remove the no command. So the no command is out after we press and hold the power key. At the same time, we tap the volume up key once. So here is the recovery menu. How to reset or unlock your locked Infinix phone is to use your volume down key. Use the volume down key to navigate to wipe data / factory reset. So when you get to wipe data / factory reset, press the power key again because it serves as your select button. So use the volume down key again to take you to wipe data reset, factory data reset, I mean to say. So when you are here, you can see on your screen that wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Don't forget that when you do this, it will wipe all the data you have on your phone. So after you might have reached here, you have to use your volume down key to navigate to factory data reset. When you are at factory data reset, all times with your volume down key, press the power key once for the resetting or unlocking process to begin. Give it few seconds for the phone to complete the factory reset. It will load to your home page of the phone and your phone will be back to when you bought it newly. All the password, pattern, pin on the phone will be wiped out and your phone will be free from locking. Subscribe to this channel, Brain Tech. Like this channel, subscribe, share this video, comment wherever you have issue. Don't forget that you can send your support through the below options on this channel. Do well to become a member of this channel, and see you in our next video.